What's up, guys? Today I got a taba squishy and I'm gonna unbox it with you guys. So I already unboxed it, but I'm gonna show you guys it because all I did was take it out of the bag. I haven't seen the accessories yet, but let's look. Done. He's really cute. I got a hamster. Let's see if I can open this bag. Okay, there it is. Okay. I wish you guys could feel him right now. He's so cute, and his little cheeks, and he's so soft. Like that. Oh. And he comes with 2 blue pom-poms. Because I got a blue hamster, and he came with a blue cheese. He came with a lot of accessories. Baby bottle. And he came with, like, stuff that he can wear. Let's put him on here. Okay. I need to dress him up. Dress to impress. Ah! Okay, cowboy hat. We're gonna put that on him. I feel like there's something else in there. There is glasses. Okay, I'm gonna put them on him and I'm gonna show you guys when I'm done. Okay. How do I put his glasses on? Because his cheeks are so big I can't put them, like, how am I supposed to put the glasses on? Okay, I think I got it. Like that. He looks so cute. Oh, guys, don't worry. He does have a mouth. His mouth just is blue. Okay, let's see what he looks like with all of his accessories. Let's put all of his accessories in. I'm trying to get them out. Okay. Baby bottle. So I think he really looks good with his baby bottle. And let's see if he looks good with his blue cheese. He's literally so cute. I think the glasses really fit him. I don't know about the cowboy hat, but I feel like the glasses are very suiting for him. So I'm gonna start school soon. It's gonna be fun. But yeah. See you guys next video. Bye!